Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I have something really cool to show you from CZ USA. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. All right, spin it around here. CZ's got the double clasp and then the safety push button here. We'll pop it open, and we've got the CZ 2075 RAMI, or RAMI. It's R-A-M-I, however you want to pronounce it, RAMI. Let's take a look. So we've got the pistol. We'll set that aside. We'll grab the high cap mag, set that aside. We've got our books and papers here, cleaning kit, lock, all of the essentials that it comes with. So we'll go ahead and set the box aside and take a look at the CZ 2075 RAMI. Now this one is the 2075D, which means decocker, and we'll cover that in a second. So the RAMI is a subcompact semi-auto, and it's based on the CZ75. So that's why it's got kind of a familiar look to it, but it's the subcompact version. So it's a double stack, runs 10 rounds in the small mag and 14 in the larger mag, single action and double action, and it is a hammer fired pistol. So what I mean by single action and double action, so first off we'll clear it, all good there. So hammer's back, fully cocked, and this is single action, and then you've got the full pull for double action, and then you can also decock it. Puts it to the half-cocked setting, and that's what the D is in the CZ 2075D RAMI, is decocker. So this one has the decocker built in. This is a 9mm, like I said. It is based on the CZ75. It's a 3-inch barrel, unloaded, weighs a little bit less than 26 ounces, so it's pretty lightweight, and it's not as light as they come because it is a full metal pistol. So we have an aluminum frame and a steel slide. You know, as compared to, say, the Glock 26, which I have here, which is a polymer frame. So this one is, going to be heavier in the slide area, but lightweight frame. But you can see it's very similar in size to the RAMI. Obviously, this has got an extended mag on it, but the basic magazine for the 26 and the CZ 2075 are both a 10 round. So, very, very similar in size. Let's set that aside. Yeah, designed for concealed carry. Let's see, with this magazine in, you can see my pinky's going to hang off the edge. I have average size hands, but pinky's hanging off the edge on that one. It does come with an extended higher capacity magazine, which actually fits very comfortably. You can get all my fingers on that one. So in single action, you do have a bit of take up, and then a okay break on it. I mean, it's a hammer fired, but it does have a bit of creep there. And then of course in double action mode, it feels more like my 44 Magnum revolver. So you don't have a real super crisp trigger on it. I mean, honestly, it feels just like the CZ 75 series. But the good news is ultra reliable. They're never going to let you down. Fixed sights on it. This one does come with night sights. You can't really see them in my light here, but these are a tritium night sight. Hammer forged barrel, 3-inch barrel. Actually, it's like 3.05 inch, so it's actually a little bit longer than the Glock 26 barrel. 26 ounces in weight, overall length 6.5 inches. So very, very concealable. And that's what it's designed to do. So it does have a safety stop on the hammer. Does have, like I said, it's got the decocker. You can get a full safety version on this. There are several different variants of it. Double stack runs, this runs a little bit thicker than the Glock 26. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. If I can see, you know what? Maybe it doesn't. I feel like it is. And I think that's probably because the way it feels in my hand, it feels like a good old-fashioned, European metal pistol, you know, like your Berettas or your Sig Sauers or your full-size CZs. It's what it is. I mean, it's a full metal, aluminum frame, steel slide pistol. Great option if you're looking for a subcompact carry. A little bit heavier. It's 9mm, so I mean, shooting this guy is going to feel great. A lot of people think the 26 and some of the other polymer subcompact striker fires have a little bit of a pop to them when you're shooting because it is so small and so light. This one's going to have a little bit more girth, so that recoil is going to be coming straight back into your hand. You're going to have a little less muzzle flip, and it's just going to feel better shooting. But yeah, that's it. That's the CZ 2075D for decocker RAMI. Yeah, nice looking pistol. Very smooth slide on this. Very smooth trigger. You know, it's very well built. So if you're looking for another option for a subcompact carry, hey, take a look at it. This is the 2075 RAMI. RAMI, people have asked, you know, hey, where did the name RAMI or RAMI come from? Well, it's the first initials, I believe, of the guys that designed it. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce their names because they're Czechoslovakian, I'm sure. But yeah, that's where the RAMI comes from. You know, so that's a little bit of knowledge that maybe not everybody knew. Now, you can get this one, I should mention, this one here, like I said, is an aluminum frame with a steel slide. You can get this with a polymer frame. I've never seen one, but you know, according to the website, there is a polymer frame option for this, which is going to be a little bit lighter, going to be more like that Glock 26 in size and weight. But yeah, beautiful little pistol, right out of the box. You know, has the night sights on it, high capacity mags. Well, I guess they're standard capacity, but higher capacity than some with the 10 round and the 14 round double stack. But yeah, there it is. CZ 2075 RAMI. Great little carry gun. You know, if you're looking for a subcompact, definitely put this one on the option list to go out and shoot and take a look at and put some rounds through if you're considering it. You know, there's the Shield, there's the HK subcompact, there's your Glock 26. There's a lot of options out there in a subcompact, but you'd really do yourself an injustice if you didn't go out and look at them all. So yeah, go out, take a look at it. You know, fits right in that 3-inch barrel range, double stack 9mm, you know, which is a little bit nicer than, say, like the Shield with a single stack. It's going to have a little bit better capacity options. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about the RAMI, hey, leave them below. I just try to put it in my hands and kind of show it off and give you my honest opinion of it. But it's a nice, solid, well-built gun. Trigger feels good. And love to get this one out to the range and take it for a spin. Hey, hit that subscribe button, will you? That's important. I like to have lots of subscribers. I'm going to be putting stuff out once or twice a week. If you want, you can comment and leave a comment in the comment section of any guns you'd like to see within reason. I'll try to get my hands on it and give you sort of an up-close and personal look at it. But yeah, that's it. CZ 2075 RAMI, made in the Czech Republic. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.